New to golf? Read this proven advice. The power of your swing is an important part of playing a great game of golf. There are many ways to increase power and make the ball fly further. Using a few simple tips and tricks, you can increase the power of your swing and get lower scores on the course consistently. Try taking swings from the opposite side to improve your game. If you are a lefty, address the ball from the opposite side for a while. You should have a better swing when you return to your usual stance. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to always wear proper golf shoes when swinging your club. This is crucial because it helps you to hold your form during your swing. It is important also so that you maintain your footing while walking on a possibly slippery course. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to see if you can borrow clubs from a friend or course before investing any money in equipment. This is important because it is a way to find out if golf is right for you without wasting any money at all. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to try to aim for a better score than you believe is attainable. This is a great brain trick that will help you in completing your realistic goals. Take the distance that you wish to hit the ball off the tee and add 10% to it. Even if you come short of that goal, you will still be happy with your results. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you know what club to use in each situation. This is extremely important because each club is made a bit differently and will greatly affect the outcome of your hit. If you are unsure, consult with someone who does know or read up on it beforehand. It is not uncommon to seek the advice of a friend or caddy while on the course. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that whenever you hit the ball, your main goal is accuracy, with distance second. A ball that is hit short but that is on good line with a good second opportunity is far better than one hit further but in poor lie or with poor visibility to the green. As noted above, there are many different ways that making some adjustments can lead to a more powerful game. When used and practiced in a consistent manner, you can get the ball to not only fly off the tee further, but from the fairways, bunkers, and rough in a consistent manner. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.